If the best bunion corrector is what you want, you will appreciate this kit from Fitness Diet Solution. It's very simple in design, and this makes using it equally simple. The accessory target men and women, the young as well as the old. And from what consumers claim, it does work pretty well. It will eliminate pain, discomfort, friction, and irritation due to bunions, hammer toe, hallux valgus, big toe joint, and more. The set comprises various parts, including separators, straighteners, bunion sleeve and more. It works effectively and you will see changes over time. What's more, it's cheaper than most other alternatives and much cheaper than surgery. It's made using 100% medical-grade silicone, which is super smooth and also very hygienic. It's a premium quality and fits perfectly. Also, the product is very soft and easily stretches for quick and easy fitting. Moreover, it's easy to clean and can be reused severally. Click below to get yours now.